You open your suitcase. All your clothes are dirty. You have a dinner tonight, an important one. You need clean clothes. You need them today. You look at the hotel laundry bag on the table. You've never used it before. What do you say? How does it work? Today, we're going to practice this situation, step by step. Hello, and welcome to Royo English. I'm Ryan. This is Easy English Shadowing. Hotel laundry service is very useful when you travel, especially on long trips. But many travelers don't use it because they don't know how to ask. They don't know what questions to ask. Is there express service? Are there extra fees? When will the clothes be ready? Today, you'll learn exactly how to handle this. You'll hear a short, real-life story about using hotel laundry service. First, just listen. Then, we'll break the situation into practical sentences. You'll practice them step by step. And finally, you'll hear the full story again at natural speed. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say at the front desk. Let's begin. First, just listen. Last year, I was staying at a hotel for 5 days. On the third day, most of my clothes were dirty. I had an important dinner that evening. I needed clean clothes as soon as possible. I went to the front desk with a bag of clothes. "Hello," I said. "I need the laundry service, please." The receptionist smiled. "Of course," she said. "Can I get these cleaned by tonight?" I asked. "I have a dinner at 7. "Let me check," she said. "Yes, we can do that." "Is there an express service?" I asked. "Yes," she said. "Express service is ready in 4 hours." "Are there any additional fees for express?" I asked. "Yes," she said. "There is a small surcharge of $10. "That's fine," I said. I handed her the bag. "Are these items safe to machine wash?" I asked. "Let me check the labels," she said. She looked at each item carefully. "Most of them are fine," she said, "but this shirt needs hand washing." "No problem," I said. "When will they be ready?" I asked. "By 5 o'clock," she said. "Perfect. Thank you very much," I said. At 5 o'clock, my clothes were clean and ready. I wore them to dinner that evening. A few simple questions, and the problem was solved. Now, let's practice the key sentences. Listen first. Then speak with me. I need the laundry service, please. I need the laundry service, please. Can I get these cleaned by tonight? Can I get these cleaned by tonight? Is there an express service? Is there an express service? Are there any additional fees for express? Are there any additional fees for express? Are these items safe to machine wash? Are these items safe to machine wash? When will they be ready? When will they be ready? Thank you very much. Now, let's listen to the full story again at natural speed. Last year, I was staying at a hotel for 5 days. On the third day, most of my clothes were dirty. I had an important dinner that evening and needed clean clothes as soon as possible. I went to the front desk with a bag of clothes. "Hello, I need the laundry service, please. Can I get these cleaned by tonight? I have a dinner at 7. She confirmed they could do it. I asked, is there an express service? She said yes, ready in 4 hours. I asked, are there any additional fees for express? She said there was a small surcharge of $10. That's fine, I said, and handed her the bag. Are these items safe to machine wash? She checked the labels and told me most were fine, but one shirt needed hand washing. When will they be ready? I asked. By 5 o'clock, she said. Perfect. Thank you very much, I said. At 5 o'clock, my clothes were clean and ready. A few simple questions, and the problem was solved. Before we finish, here are 2 practical tips. Number 1. Always ask about express service if you need your clothes fast. Is there an express service? And always ask about extra fees. Are there any additional fees for express? No surprises on your bill. Number 2. Always ask about machine washing. Are these items safe to machine wash? Some clothes can be damaged by machines. One question protects your clothes. Next time you travel for more than 3 days, use the hotel laundry service. It saves space in your suitcase, and it saves you time. Just say, I need the laundry service, please. Then ask your questions one by one. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English. Now it's your turn. Think about a time you needed clean clothes while traveling. Maybe at a hotel, maybe somewhere else. Write one sentence in the comments, in English. For example, I used the hotel laundry service and my clothes were ready in 4 hours. Great work today! Every episode, your English gets a little better. Keep going. See you in the next Easy English Shadowing episode. Goodbye.